Hi everybody, today I'd like to share with you some great resources that we have available on our website. These are free downloadables, so you can download them as many times as you like, and these would help you with routines, establishing routines, maintaining routines, or working on independence with a student with Down syndrome. So you could start with something like these ones here. These ones have a morning and afternoon section, and you can see here they have individual little tags, so the student sees the first activity. You would teach them these explicitly first, so you would be teaching them, okay, we've eaten our breakfast, now we can move that to the done section, and then do that and carry on with all of the other activities, and eventually they would be able to do that independently. Or you could move on to something like this one, just with a range of activities that could take them a varying amount of time. You could use a timer with this one as well. And same idea, once they've done the activity, they move it over, encouraging them to be more independent as they go. Or then you could work on something that is a week to view like this one. So for example, their school week is there, and you can see all the other activities that they would be doing during the week. Available on our website, free downloadables. Thank you.